G'day, welcome back to G'day's Garage. As you can see, not a cloud in the sky. It's a little bit chilly, but well, you got to take good with the bad. We're off for a bit of a scoot. We're going to go to Forrest today, and we're going to go to the Barwon Dam. I think that's what it is, the Barwon Dam, just out of Forrest. So we'll go down there. I've got the drone with me this time, so we'll get the drone up over the dam and take some dam pictures. So yeah, stick around and see what we get up to. Righto, just got to call in up to the end of the servo up here, whack a bit of petrol in, and we'll piss off up the road. Alright, got a bit of juice now. Righto, let's go! Righto, we're just turning off the Colac Highway now, heading down towards Moriac, Mount Moriac. As you can see. What an awesome day. It's 10.5 degrees, but when you got heated grips, that doesn't matter. Not a cloud in the sky, a little bit on the cool side, but who gives a shit about that? Okay, we've got roadworks along here. I don't know what the hell for. Why do they do that? Okay, oh, so where in the fuck's the roadworks? Fair dinkum. What's the point? Anyway, that's enough sucking. Righto, we're just coming into Moriac now. This is where originally my parents had a farm 50 odd years ago. Actually named a road after them, Giddings Road. If anyone is familiar with this area, that road was named after my mum and dad. Okay, we'll go through Moriac and we'll head through to Winchelsea Road. A general store. As you can see, I'm on the big rocket today. Awesome touring bike. Just did a trip to Bathurst and back. That was awesome. Bike performed flawlessly. Did 2,500 k's round trip on some sketchy back roads, but geez, it was good fun. Look at this, explain this to me. Why in the hell have they got a footpath right there, and then it goes along to here and then it stops? What's the point? Here's another one. What's the go with that? Must be a councillor's property. Righto, we're just going across the Winchelsea Road, the road to Winchelsea. So now we're on our way to Birregurra turn off, I believe. We'll hook a lefty there and piss off to Forrest Way. Apollo Bay Road now. Just went across the Birregurra turn off. Okay, we're coming in through Barwon Downs now. Make sure I stick to the speed limit. Okay, we're coming into Forrest. Not far to go to the dam now. Couple of motorbikes there. Oh, that was a Triumph. Reservoir, that's where we want to go to. Go here, hopefully get the drone up without crashing the bastard. Okay, we're here. Righto, we're going up on the dam wall now. I'll get up there, see if I get the drone up and get some better footage. Some power lines up there, but not friggin' hit them. It'll go straight in the goddamn drink. Well, that's it. That's West Reservoir. Let's get going. Some people just disgust me. Take it to the friggin' tip like everybody else has to. Fair income. There was paint and everything in that lot. Fucking take it to the tip, you dogs. Alright, let's go home. Well, that concludes our little scoot down to Forrest. All you've got to do now, if you don't mind, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya. GoPro, stop recording.